Now let's talk about the erectile dysfunction, the Chinese medicine concept. Erectile dysfunction in Chinese medicine. ED is called Yang Wei in Chinese medicine. Yang means yang. Bing is the radical indicating a disease. Wei means listless or withering. Therefore, the term Yang Wei indicates a disease characterized by the listlessness of yang. Interestingly, the ancient term for impotence was actually yin wei, in which yin refers to yin, as in yin yang. This difference in terminology is probably due to the fact that yin in yin wei refers to the penis that is called yin jing in Chinese, which literally means yin stem. In ancient times, impotence was also sometimes called jin wei, which means the listlessness of the sinews or the sinews. This name is probably related to the term zongjing or ancestral muscle or sinews, which was another term for the penis. Chapter 70 of the Simple Questions mentions impotence, calling it yin wei. When the energy of greater yin predominates, there is impotence from a great decline of qi with inability to rise. Chapter 44 of the Simple Question says, when one is affected by desire without satisfaction and pursues outside excessive goals, or when one engages in excessive sexual activity, the penis, zongjin, ancestral muscle, will become slack, causing impotence, jinwei, and seminal emissions. Chapter 5 of the Simple Question says, at 60, there is impotence, a great deficiency of qi, and the orifices are obstructed. Chapter 13 of the Spiritual Axis on the muscle channel says, when the muscle channel of the terminal yin of the leg or the liver is diseased, the sexual organ cannot be used. The secret formulae of the border official by Wang Tao clearly relates impotence to the kidneys. The kidneys control the lower orifices. Overexertion injures the kidney. The deficient kidneys cannot control the lower orifices, and impotence results. The discussion of the origin of symptoms in diseases by Chao Yuan Fang clearly related impotence to the kidneys. The genitals are an orifice or are an orifice of the kidneys. When these are injured by overwork, the deficient kidneys cannot nourish the genitals and impotence results. The complete book of Jingyu or Jingwei by Zhang Jiabin relates the etiology of impotence to emotional stress. Worry and pensiveness deplete qi, and excessive worry leads to impotence. Thank you for your attention.